Alright guys, Brad here with Days of Dirt. We are in the shop today. It is Saturday evening. Me and Dallas, as you can see, we got the rear end pulled out from under the car the other night, which once we pulled it out of the car, we went ahead and I've been letting it drain. I left the back cover off there just to let all the fluid drain out throughout the week, trying to make as little of a mess as possible. We're going to be out here today, and I'm going to go ahead and start trying to tear it down, start cleaning it up. If you guys haven't already, make sure you check out our Facebook page, Bradbury Racing 27. Find out all you need to know about entering to win the quarter panel and the filler panel there. You can check that out over on our Facebook page, like I said, Bradbury Racing 27. Or you can stick around to the end of this video here and I'll explain more details on that. Right now we're going to go ahead and start trying to get this rear end took apart and get it cleaned up. We went ahead and ordered the parts for it, as far as the seals and gaskets and all that I feel like we're going to need. They should be here first of the week, and hopefully I can have this thing put back together and be ready to go back underneath the car first of the week next week and be ahead of the game. So y'all just hang out and we'll see what all we can get done today. Always try to make sure I mark the hubs that I can get them back in the same spot in order for my bearing spacers not to have to adjust them. Okay, so I got it up right here. What we're gonna do now, got just a few bolts left holding the side bells on. Be able to break these side bells off of the center section and take the spool and all out. You saw me bolting on an old rim just to kind of stand it up, and I was trying to play it out in my head which side needs to come off first, and I would be willing to bet that I probably got the wrong side up. So seems like every time I do it I always put the wrong side up there, and I'm sure, but the only way to find out is finish taking these bolts out and get it blowed apart and see what it looks like. Just put a mark on the two bells in the center section, that way when I go back to assemble it all I know which way it needs to go. Let's see. Hey, I done it on the right side. About time I do something right. Got the ring gear out. Right there. That's half of it. Don't see any metal, that's a good sign. Looks like the bearings feel tight. We're gonna pull it all off though, and pull this off. Pretty sure that it needs a new pinion seal. You can see right there where oil's been leaking out between the pinion. So we'll go ahead and get that off as well. Just need to find the right socket. Oh man, that's piss. Just made a mess there. That's why I do that in an old rim, not a good rim. Man, I thought for sure I had all the little dope out of there. I wasn't gonna make a mess. Nope, I was wrong. Dadgummit. Can't do nothing without making a mess. Yeah, it happens. Alright, so I got all the parts on the rear end cleaned up. All I've got left now is the left side bell. I got to get it cleaned up. We're gonna have to pull the, gonna have to clean it up. Once I get all the dope out of it where I can handle it and not be dropping it everywhere, I got to pull the axle tube out of it. During this, we have found out that I've got a axle tube that is 1 inch too long from what it's supposed to be. So, you know, maybe that could be something that was throwing the car off. Well, you know, I mean, it'd be just like running a 1 inch spacer on the left rear all the time. But we're gonna pull that axle tube out. I have ordered a new one, the correct length, and measured it to double check. That is the correct length. There you can see all the parts and pieces. Still got to clean those parts up, but everything's looking good so far. Spool looked good. All the bearings in the rear end look good. We're just changing out the seals and the gaskets, making sure everything's good there. We are going to call it a night tonight, I believe. It's getting kind of late, and Princess finally got home from shopping, so she's cold and ready to go in. You can see she's sitting over in front of the heater there. I know I said at the beginning of this video to hang around and I'd let you guys know how you could win these body panels. Once again, it's a drawing for the quarter panel and a drawing for the filler panel. Be two winners. The first winner will get the quarter panel, second winner will get the filler panel. What we are doing, Dallas brought the idea to me the other day. She's been talking to a lady from her hometown that buys Christmas for children that are, their parents are down on hard times, or, you know, are not able to provide for their children. So Dallas thought it'd be a good idea to kind of auction off, so to say, the body panels. We've had a lot of messages on people asking us how they could go about getting some body panels from us. So what we're going to do, if you go to our Facebook page, Bradbury Racing 27, you can see the original post. We're going to run it, what'd you say, through December the 4th?
Through December 4th.
December the 4th. The drawing's going to run through December the 4th. You donate whatever you feel led to donate. We're not asking a certain amount of money. If you want to donate $5, donate $5. If you want to donate 20, donate 20. We have our PayPal and our Venmo links posted in the original Facebook post. Just shoot us the donation through that, or message us and get with us to set up a different payment method. What we'll do, however much money is donated through this giveaway, will go, 100% of the proceeds will go to Raglan Toys for Kids. And that will be used to buy children some Christmas this coming up season. We know how hard of a year 2020 was, and winter will be responsible for shipping. Just because they're such big items, we don't know what shipping would cost. So we just ask that either pick up locally or meet us at a racetrack or whatever, arrange something with us to where we can deal with that. But yeah, that's going on right now through December the 4th. So make sure you check out our Facebook page for more information on that. Be sure to comment on the original post. I've seen a lot of people sharing it. Make sure you go to our original post to comment that you've donated, to let us know that you've donated. Is that all right now? What kind of shirts we got left?
I think we have smalls, larges, and extra larges left. We have a ton of larges, few smalls, and a few extra larges.
What's the prices?
Prices is $15.
$15 plus shipping.
$15 and then shipping will be $7
for
to ship.
Any that we need to ship.
So 15 plus $7 additional dollars.
Okay. So there you have that. We have a few shirts left. Let's get those going, and we'll try to get some more at the beginning of the next year. Once we get our new body, new wrap, all that, we're going to try to order shirts at the same time. That way we can have new shirts to match the car as well. If you are new to the channel, we're glad to have you. Thank you for watching. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for future notifications. We try to post videos often. Sometimes we slack. I know it's off season. We're both trying to rest up and be ready for the baby to get here, so we are kind of slacking on posting videos, but we do the best we can. So make sure you guys comment, let us know what you think. Hit the share button, share with all your friends and family. We'll check you guys later. Thanks for watching.